previous video, we have discussed what are the equations of motion and also derived first equation through graphical method. In this video, we will be discussing second equation of motion and deriving it through graphical method. Let's begin. Second equation of motion by graphical method. Now what is second equation of motion? S is equals to ut plus half at square. To derive this equation, we use a velocity time graph. For better understanding of velocity time graph, you can watch my previous video. Now these are some points marked. Consider that the object has travelled distances in time t under uniform acceleration a. Also, initial velocities OA is equals to u. After time OC, इस टाइम के बाद जब ऑब्जेक्ट u वेलोसिटी से कुछ टाइम बाद t टाइम के बाद b पॉइंट पे पहुंचा है तो उसकी फाइनल वेलोसिटी इज bc, दैट इज v. Also bd is equals to bc minus cd. How it is derived? bd क्या है? This is the change in the velocity. Now distance hence can be calculated by the area under the graph AB. This is area OABC, which is equal to area of rectangle AODC and triangle ABD. Means हमें पता है velocity time graph में हमने सीखा था कि अगर हमें velocity time graph से distance calculate करना हो, then we can calculate the distance by the area under the graph. And the area is area of rectangle OADC and the area of triangle ABD. Also, we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. In this case, length is OA, this one, and breadth is OC. The area of triangle is half into base into height. Half, AD is the base, this is the base of the triangle, and BD is the height. This is the height. Now we are substituting their values. We know OA is U, OC is T, then AD can be replaced by OC. How? Because they are parallel or they are opposite sides of rectangle. And BD can be replaced by BC minus CD. Now it is equals to UT plus half. In place of OC we have put T and then BC minus OA. CD is replaced by OA. This is also because of opposite sides of rectangle. Now we get the equation UT plus half into T and V minus U. BC is replaced with V and OA is replaced by U. Now let's assume this as equation 1. Also we know that first equation of motion that we have derived in previous video, we have V is equals to U plus AT. V minus U is equals to AT. U को हम इधर ले गए लेफ्ट साइड, सो U का साइन माइनस हो गया. अब इस वैल्यू को V माइनस U की इस वैल्यू को we will be putting in equation 1 and we get S is equals to UT plus half into T and V minus U की जगह we have put AT. So we get the second equation of motion or equation for position time relation, that is S is equals to UT plus half AT square. Okay, that's it for today. In the next video, we will be deriving third equation of motion and also discussing NCERT questions related to all three equations of motion. To watch my previous video, you can check the description box.